If you've always been curious about fountain pens, but felt they were too complicated, this one might surprise you. This is a retractable fountain pen, so there's no cap to deal with. Just click and write. Everything can be done with one hand. The ergonomic grip zone makes it comfortable to hold. A sealed inner cover keeps the nib airtight, which helps prevent the ink from drying out or leaking in your bag. If filling a fountain pen with bottled ink sounds intimidating, don't worry. There's no ink filling, no soaking, and no complicated cleaning routine. When the ink runs out, you simply replace the cartridge. It's quick, clean, and mess-free. Being refillable also makes it a more eco-friendly choice. This set also includes an empty refillable cartridge, so you can fill it with your favorite bottled ink whenever you're ready. The most thoughtful part, there's even a left-handed version, comfortable to write with, no matter if you're left or right-handed. Many fountain pens can be pretty expensive, which makes trying one feel risky. This one is around $25, so the barrier to entry is much lower. It also comes in a wide range of barrel colors, so you can pick something that actually matches your style. It comes in a small, transparent case that's easy to carry and doubles as everyday storage. If you want the smooth experience of a fountain pen without the learning curve, this retractable design is very beginner-friendly and a great place to start.